this video, let's take a look at getting and installing a perpetual key for TPC Desktop. I'm running TPC Desktop 2019, and I pulled the download out of my license manager, and I entered the connection key to run it. And I've been running it now for a month probably. And now I want to put in this perpetual key. The perpetual key allows me to continue running Traverse PC even if I don't keep my connection running. So it does just what it says. It's a perpetual license key. So I'm going to check my email and see if Traverse PC has sent me the TPC Desktop 2019 R0. And I just follow the directions here to click on this link. And the link brings up a checkout for a new license of 2019 R0. And the professional single is perpetual key. And it sets the value to 0, or the total to 0. So I'm going to get a free download for this new key. And then all I need to do is go in and log in. You haven't logged in yet. You'll have to put in your username, password, that sort of thing. And then I'm going to click free download. Let's take a look real quick. So Traverse PC has created the download for me. This is where it actually created the key. And I can copy that key right out of here. And that's that 2019 R0 Professional. I can come back to Traverse PC and put that key in right here. So as soon as I validate, Traverse PC is going to run the program using that perpetual key, and it'll be able to keep running it for as long as I want to run Traverse PC. So the validation is complete, and I now have a perpetual key for TPC Desktop 2019.